Hare Krishna. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Lord Krishna who appears in this world to teach all the jivas what is the meaning of being an ideal devotee. You will see Lord Krishna is best in everything. He is the best singer, he is the best dancer, he is the best dramatist, he is best in everything. Just like in Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter he says that amongst the mountains I am Meru Parvat, amongst the animals I am lion, amongst the bodies of water I am ocean. Similarly amongst the devotees he is the best devotee. When Krishna wants to become a devotee of himself, adopting the mood of Srimati Radharani. So Krishna is merciful, but when Radha's mood is added to him, he becomes super merciful. And without seeing any qualifications, he reaches out to millions and millions of living beings. The beauty of this avatar of Krishna coming as Lord Chaitanya, as he was a newborn child, he cried and made everybody chant the holy name. Later on, he made his students in Nadia become devotees and chant the holy name, singing Hari Haraya Nama, Krishna Yadavaya Nama. Then in Shiva Sangan, he gathered all the pure devotees and they all chanted the holy name and danced always. Then he said, why keep it indoor? Let us take it outdoor. Then he started the Harinam Sankirtan along with Lord Nityananda, took the holy name outdoor. After he took sannyas, when he went to Shantipur, every day evening, 3 hours with our Vaishnavas, he did Harinam Sankirtan outdoor. Then while living in Jagannath Puri, you will read in the Beda Kirtan pastime chapter, every day Beda is actually the circumference, like we do Pradakshina Marg. He did with hundreds and thousands of Vaishnavas Sankirtan. In front of the Jagannath Rath cart, he expanded himself into 7 forms, in 7 circles he did Harinam Sankirtan. Then he took the holy name to the South India, preaching, chanting the holy name and connected millions of souls to the chanting of the holy name. He even made the Jharkhand forest animals chant the holy name. And to emphasize the importance of how glorious is the holy name, it doesn't need any material qualification. He made one Namacharya from a Yavana community. He picked up Namacharya and made him the Acharya of the holy name, who was chanting 3 lakh names every day. Jagannath Puri Mahaprabhu would go to meet him regularly, spend time with Haridas Thakur. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes to practice the chanting of holy name and preach the practice chanting of the holy name. Every day morning, Mahaprabhu would go after the darshan to the ocean side and chant till 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock continuously from the morning. About 1 lakh or 2 lakh names he would chant. And evening he would do 3 hours of Harinam Sankirtan. So he was always soaked in Harinam Sankirtan and Japam, just like a sponge soaked in water, always. At the same time, he also taught that the chanting of the holy name should have a certain type of quality. So he said when one is humbler than a straw in the street, more tolerant than a tree, devoid of any expectations of false prestige, and if one is willing to give respect to even an ant, to all devotees, to all living beings, then one can chant the holy name with proper quality. And also, his teachings are very sublime, very pure and universally applicable. Anybody from any part of the world can understand that one who wants to approach God should not be attached to the material commodities like the Dhanam, Janam, Sundaram. And anybody in any part of the world can call out the Lord, irrespective of caste, creed, color, nationality, gender, or economic bracket or anything. Everybody can participate. That is the reason why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Senapati Bhakta, Srila Prabhupada, could take the message of Lord Chaitanya all across the globe, everywhere. And Lord Chaitanya taught that I am not coming to just teach religion or some rituals or some tapasya for getting liberation. He kicked out all these things. He said, I am coming to practice love for God and distribute love for God. And therefore the last verse of Shikshashtakam says, Ashlishyava padaratam pinashtumam अदर्शनान् मर्महतां करोतु वा यदा तथा वा विदधातु लम्पटो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव नापरः. My dear Lord Krishna, you may embrace me or you may trample upon me, you may accept me or reject me, for you are my unconditional Lord eternally, he says. So he taught the mood of a genuine devotee of God, that a devotee doesn't put any conditions to God. The devotee is sold out to God completely. He offers body, mind, words, soul, everything in Krishna service. So today is a very, very auspicious day of that beautiful appearance of Lord Gauranga, who is Krishna, who is Shyam Sundar, appearing in this world as Gaur Sundar. While all the avatars are bringing different weapons, Krishna has a chakra to kill Shishupal, Lord Rama has a Dhanush Ban to kill Ravana, Narasimha has sharp nails to kill Hiranyakashipu, and Lord Varaha has a Gada, mace to attack Hiranyaksha. Lord Gauranga brings the weapon of the holy name to cleanse the heart of the living entities and purify them and uplift them and award them the gift of pure love for God. So let us take advantage of this most auspicious day when he appears. The Lord is much more very prominently present on his appearance day than any other day. We can pray to Lord Chaitanya that please award me the attention and absorption in chanting of the holy name with great taste. Like he is himself relishing the chanting of the holy name. So let me not be distracted, let me not be casual or careless, let me not be materially attached, let me not be foolish, let me be aligned with the Hari Guru and Vaishnavas and take my spiritual life very seriously. With this prayer, let us chant the holy name with full absorption. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances and all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyashcha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrinda ki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki.